County that just gave Biden a bump. His lead expanding because of voters in Gwinnett County. CBS 46's Ashley Thompson live at the election center with the very latest. Ashley, good evening.
Good evening, Sean. That's right. The bulk of the county's ballots have now been turned over. There are still military ballots out there, but most everything else was handed over to the Secretary of State about an hour ago. And this is the room where it all happened. We've been able to watch this entire process, not just today, but since we've been here on Wednesday. Before the last update, Biden was up by about 1,500 votes. Now it's about 4,200. Many suspected many of these ballots would lean Democratic. Gwinnett County is the state's most diverse county, and it actually went blue Tuesday night. The Secretary of State's office had been waiting for these ballots since election night. That's when a glitch set this whole process behind, delaying thousands of votes. Many of them had to be re-adjudicated. That process took a few days, but around 5 o'clock, the ballots were pushed through. There were poll workers from both parties on site today, and we spoke with one of them.
There's no new votes being counted. I believe that all the votes that were counted were in the time frame and were legal votes, and it's just taking a while to get through them all because they're careful.
And let me read you these numbers. Gwinnett County cured 280 out of 425 ballots that had mismatched signatures and 521 out of 789 ballots that had no signatures at all. For now, I'm live in Gwinnett County. Ashley Thompson, CBS 46 News.